In continuation to the previous video, let us solve the question number 1. So the remaining 4 sub questions. So sub question 6, let's find the solution. So here 512 is there. So let's find the factors for 512. So 512, 2 2 0 2 5 0 2 6 0 2 128 264 32 216 28 24 22, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 512 can be written as 2 power 9. So log 512 is equals to log 512 base 2 is equals to log 2 power 9 base 2. So here this is in the form of log a power n, can be written as an n log a, that is 9 log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 is 1. So 9 into 1, the answer will be 9. So for log 512 base 2, the answer is 9. Let's move on to the sub question 7. So log 0.01 base 10. Like how can we write this? Log 10 power minus 2, because 0.01 multiplied by 100 divided by 100, then it becomes 1 by 100, that is equals to 1 by 10 square, which 1 by 10 square, which can be written as 10 power minus 2. So here 10 power minus 2 I have put it here. Log 10 power minus 2 base 10, the answer will be minus 2 log 10 base 10, this answer is minus 2. So let us solve sub question 8 now. What is sub question 8? Log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. So here let us convert this in the form of 2 by 3. So we know that 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. So 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is 27. So let us put it like 2 by 3 whole cube base 2 by 3. So this is in the form of log a power n. We can write it as n log a. 3 log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. The answer will be 3 into 1, because log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3, it will be 1. So the answer is 3. For sub question 8, the answer is 3. Moving on to sub question 9. What is sub question 9 here given? So 2 to the power of 2 plus log 3 base 2. This is in the form of a power m plus n, which can be written as a power m into a power n. So write it as 2 square into 2 power log 3 base 2. What is 2 square? It is 4. 4 into. So let's solve this first. Okay, here let us find this value, 2 power log 3 base 2. Here let's do the side calculation. Log 3, let log 3 base 2, 2 power log 3 base 2 is equals to x. Apply log on both sides. So we can write it as log 2 power log 3 base 2 is equals to log x. This power will come to the left hand side. Log 3 base 2 into log 2 is equals to log x. Okay. So here log 3 base 2 can be written as log 3 base 10 divided by log 2 base 10. Right. So this can be written as like this into log 2. Now if nothing is there, we should put it as base as 10. That is equals to log x. So this and this will be cancelled. So log x is equals to log 3. So by comparing, what is the value of x here? X is 3. That implies this entire value is 3. So answer will be 4 into 3 is equals to 12. So this you have to write it in your exam also. Let 2 power log 3 base 2 is equals to x. Applying log on both sides, it becomes log 2 power of log 3 base 2 is equals to x. So this is in the form of log a power n, then n log a. This will become this side. So log 3 base 2 into log 2 is equals to log x. So log a base b can be written as log a base 10 by log b base 10. So this and this will get cancelled off. So log x is equals to 3. By comparing, x is equals to 3. And we know 2 square is 4. And this entire value we assumed it as x. What is it? The value of this is 3. So 4 into 3, the answer is 12. So this is the complete explanation. In case you like the video, do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.